I visited a sick person in this compound today, and fortunately I met this woman, this mama. This mama is advanced. She's in her late 70s. Based on her appearance, she's in her late 70s. She have a small cage beside her house. You can see her with her 4 broilers. When I asked her, she said she bought these broilers at the old. She brooded them with her lamb, and they have grown up to 4 weeks. Now you can see the 4 weeks broilers. She bought it 4 weeks ago. And I can see the size of the broiler. They are 4 in number. Start poultry. I don't have big house. You don't need to have an estate before you start poultry. You can start from the little space you have in your backyard. You can see she made this cage. This cage can contain up to 8 birds. This cage have up to 2 steps. You can see her cleaning the cage. She's cleaning it to change the beddings and at the same time make it neater. Why she allowed the other birds to walk on the floor as she's cleaning their cage? She wants to change the beddings, the sawdust. You can see her sweeping and changing the sawdust while the 4 broilers are walking on the floor. You can see her. She don't even have enough money to start. You can see her cleaning the whole place. This is a very good practice. Start small. Start from what you have. You can see the floor. You see her now. This is the sawdust she's using. See, children love chicken very well. All the children in that compound gather to help her. You can see children around the whole chicken, pursuing the chicken from one corner to another. See the 4 broilers here. See her changing the beddings and making the whole place neat. She's now see feed. You can see she bought feed just like about 1 cup. I don't even know. This is not up to 1 kg. She just bought 1 cup of feed. You can see what she's using as feeder. You can see because you don't have the resources. Most of you have the resources. Most of you have even money wasting in the bank without interest, and you can't even start, and you are waiting to have estate before you start. See her, just close to her room, she made a very small cage that can contain up to 4 broilers. See how children are helping her. See how they have not picking the birds from the floor to put them back because she have cleaned the whole place. I even directed her. I was even directing her on what to do. You can see I was very close to this place, only that the camera did not catch on. See her cleaning the floor. See the ones that's the floor. See her cleaning the floor also, so that the birds will have a very good environment. Start your own. You can see local birds. That's how life is. The leftover, the droppings on the floor, the local ones are picking it, whereas the white broilers, the English ones, are in the cage and they're taking care of them in a proper way. While these ones are working with their chicks to search for food. Others just have already made food. That's how life. While others people on earth now are looking for already enjoying while others have provided for them in a very comfortable AC environment. See, the mama is taking care of the ones in the cage, while the ones on the floor, local ones, are looking for food with their chicks around. Please give a word to mama. What do you think about this mama? Will she make it in her poultry? Will she have poultry grow? Some of us started with only 4 broilers, and today we have big farms. Please give a word, share this video to reach more poultry farmers, and drop a comment about this particular video. What do you think about this video? Drop it on the comment section.